Is the all-new Dacia Sandman, designed for comfort, strength, and everyday adventure.
The front design features a bold grille and sharp LED headlights for a modern road presence. The side profile highlights strong body lines that improve aerodynamics and visual balance.
These durable wheels provide stability and confidence across both city and rough roads. The rear design combines practicality with distinctive lighting for better road visibility. The interior offers a clean layout focused on comfort, space, and daily usability.
The dashboard integrates smart infotainment controls designed for an intuitive driving experience.
The spacious cabin ensures comfortable seating for both drivers and passengers. Keep the driver focused and confident.
The instrument cluster provides clear driving information with an easy-to-read digital layout.
The center console offers smart storage solutions for everyday convenience.
The climate control system ensures a comfortable cabin in all weather conditions.
Rear passengers benefit from generous legroom and supportive seating design. The spacious boot makes the Dacia Sandman ideal for travel and daily cargo needs.
The engine bay reflects practical engineering focused on reliability and efficiency. The suspension setup delivers balanced performance across city roads and rough terrain. The Dacia Sandman includes essential safety features designed to protect every journey. The adjustable driver seat helps achieve a comfortable and confident driving position.
The adjustable steering allows drivers to personalize their ideal driving posture.
The cabin materials are designed for durability and long-term everyday use.
That reflects the vehicle's overall build quality.
Exterior mirrors improve visibility and enhance driving confidence.
The lighting system ensures clear visibility during night and low-light driving. The rear lighting system enhances safety by clearly signaling braking actions.
The infotainment system supports seamless connectivity for modern driving needs.
Music and navigation prompts.
Interior lighting creates a calm and focused driving environment at night. Everyday driving convenience. The gear selector delivers smooth and precise control for comfortable driving.
The parking brake provides reliable control when stopping or parking and improves overall driving awareness. The wiper system ensures clear vision during rain and dusty conditions. The reverse camera assists in safer and easier parking situations.
The turning radius allows smooth maneuvering in tight spaces.
The braking system delivers controlled stopping power for everyday safety. The suspension ensures a smooth and comfortable ride.
The driving position is optimized for comfort, control, and long journeys.
The Dacia Sandman delivers smooth and controlled performance in everyday city driving.
It is tuned for comfortable and efficient daily driving.
The cabin insulation reduces outside noise for a quieter driving experience.
Cruising on open roads.
Driver assistance features support safer and more confident driving.
The vehicle is engineered to support efficient fuel consumption during daily use.
The seating comfort makes long journeys relaxed and fatigue-free.
Passengers enjoy a smooth and stable ride throughout the journey. The handling remains predictable and easy for drivers of all experience levels.
The Dacia Sandman presents a well-rounded balance of design and functionality. Man reflects a brand focused on practicality and modern design. The blue exterior finish enhances the vehicle's bold and confident character.
The interior layout supports family needs and practical daily usage.
Solid build quality ensures durability for long-term ownership.
The Dacia Sandman offers strong value through comfort, space, and reliability for drivers seeking practicality and comfort. Every angle of the Sandman reflects thoughtful design and usability.
The Dacia Sandman stands ready for modern, everyday driving.